Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to prepare checkboxes exam in Google Forms. So first, make sure your internet connection is turned on, then open up Google Forms and select a blank form. Now right here where untitled form is, simply enter the title. I'm just going to name mine Animals Quiz. Once you've done that, head over to settings and select make this a quiz. This is necessary to assign points for each question later on. Now you can choose to release grades immediately after each submission or later after manual review. For this, it will need to collect the email address of each respondent, but I'm just going to leave it on this first option. Now these are normally toggled on. This will make sure that respondents can see which questions were answered incorrectly and which questions they answer correctly, and they can also see the total points received for each question. You can change the default question points value. I'm going to make mine 5. Now scroll down, head over to presentation, and you can choose to show the progress bar. I'm going to do that and toggle this on shuffle question order. Now, once you've done this, head back to questions, and under this untitled question here, simply enter the first question. I'm just going to write a test one here. Now, if you want, you could provide a description under this just to help the respondents better understand it. I'm going to do that later. For now, change this multiple choice to checkboxes and simply enter the options you wish the respondents to choose from. I'm going to do that. After each option, hit enter on your keyboard to enter the next one. Once you've done that, click the answer key right here. And now you have to choose the correct answers. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Once you've done that, click done. And now, if you like, click the 3 dots right here and select description. Here I'm just going to choose the right answers, but you don't really have to put a description. You can leave this empty if you wish. If you want to add more questions, simply click the plus icon here that says add question and follow the same steps you did for this first question for the rest. Once everything is as you want it to be, hit publish, and this will publish the form so that people can actually access it. Now select publish, and just to make sure everything is working as it should be, hit this eye icon here to preview it. Now just make sure everything is working as it should be, like make sure you can tick the questions and that it assigns the correct points for each question. Once you're done with that, submit the form and make sure everything is as it should be. Once you've confirmed that everything is right, you can send this to the students or whoever you want to. Simply hit here, right here, enter the email address of whoever you'd like to send it to, and hit done. And that's it for today's video. That is how to prepare checkboxes exam in Google Forms. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, share, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.